I'm Uncle Mark. Thanks for stopping by my channel. It's going to show it was time to change the clock on, I believe it was an '05 Toyota Matrix. No, actually, this is the Pontiac Vibe. So here it is right here. It's really, really easy. Once you see this, you're going to go, oh, I forgot all about this. I'm going to actually turn it to the on position. You can do this with no key. Want to change the hours? Well, let's press that. Just press and hold the hour button. And it's like those old clocks used to be, where the hours are just going to start rolling. So I'm holding it down. You'll hear it beep, and it just starts going like crazy. And there's an AM and PM, or at least there's an AM, if that's going to bother you or not. So just go past. But anyway, once it's in that mode, you can let go of the button and just press, let go, press, like to go 2, 3, 4. That might be a good idea. Then if you want to go to the next site, we're PM, so I'm going to make this actually say PM. It's about, what is it now, 3 o'clock here. It's time change here. I'm doing this before time change. Now for the minutes, because that's actually out. We're having some trouble with the battery in this car. Same thing, just hold the minute down. Once it gets close, let off, and then you can just start pressing it 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of thing. And just let go and you're done. I'm going to put a playlist for this Toyota Matrix or Pontiac Vibe up in the corner there. Check out my channel. We'll try and get some more videos up on this car. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.